In today's video, I'll show you how to manage clients in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to keep your customer records organized, track bookings, and handle client information efficiently, this guide will help you do it easily. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Client section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your client data is stored. Now you'll see your full client list, including names, emails, phone numbers, and booking history. Click on any client's name to open their profile. Inside the client profile, you can view their past appointments, upcoming bookings, and any notes attached to their account. You can also add internal notes. These are useful for remembering preferences, special instructions, or important details about the client. If needed, you can edit client information, such as name, email, or contact details directly from their profile. You can also filter clients based on activity, appointment history, or specific services to find exactly who you need. Now, if a client books regularly, you can quickly view their full history to better prepare for future sessions. Once you finish updating or reviewing information, simply save your changes. Before finishing, make sure your client list is organized and up to date so your scheduling process stays smooth and professional. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage clients in Acuity Scheduling and keep your customer system organized. And that's how you manage clients in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.